What's going on? In this video we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2013 Toyota Corolla. These are the tools you're going to need. Obviously the jack stands, the oil, the filter, wrenches, container to catch it, and tire shocks. So before you do the oil change, make sure you have the parking brake or e-brake in the upright position. Pop the hood, which is going to be that latch. Alright, pop the hood, use the hood prop, open the oil cap, leave it open. Now it's time to lift the car. So as far as lifting points, I like to lift the car up right where the tow hitch is, and as far as the mounting for the jack stands, pretty much right there. So at this point we're gonna release tension on the jack. Move it out of the way, and we're gonna start draining the oil. So to drain the oil pan, there's your plug. It's a 14 millimeter. You can either use a socket or open wrench. I like the socket since I can use the hand as a lever to break it loose. So at this point we're just gonna let it drain and pretty much make sure you adjust the container so that way you don't make a mess. I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna come back as soon as it's done draining. So at this time we're gonna start reinstalling the drain plug, which we're gonna go with a magnetic one for this car. It's not my car, but that's why they want it, so pretty much proving that it is magnetic. Okay, so I've been trying to install it, but apparently the customer ordered the wrong drain plug for the Corolla. Come on, stand up. The threads are different, so I'm just gonna go back to the factory one and call it a day and tell them that it doesn't fit so they can return it. After installing the right plug back in, the factory one, wipe it clean, tighten it up, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now let's work on the filter, which is gonna be right there. So to remove the filter, you need a Toyota cap wrench to remove the housing. This is why I like this ratchet right here from Home Depot. It's extendable, giving you extra lever to break it loose. We're gonna remove it, let it drain, and put the new one in. So once you remove the cap, you let it drain. There's the oil filter right there. Just gonna remove it and then replace it with a new one. So pretty much reinstall the filter, doesn't matter which direction. To remove the oil ring, use a small flathead, go down and over, under, pretty much pry it out. To install the new oil ring, go over and then just pretty much roll it down until it goes into the groove that's right there. Now if you need a part number for the Toyota oil filter, it's that one. Now let's reinstall the oil filter. So before you reinstall the oil filter, let's wipe it clean. Make sure there's no debris, any gasket residue or ring. This time it's clean. We're going to reinstall the filter. To reinstall the filter, you just gotta align it and then finger screw it in. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once you feel it getting snug, that's when we use the ratchet. Alright, at this point you're pretty much done with the filter. It's already snug. Make sure it's just tight, don't go Hulk smash on it. And then in my case, the tool is stuck, so we're gonna pop it out. So if your tool gets stuck, you can use the back end of the ratchet, just pop it out. There's some people might have some issue. There's just, you know, a tool, I don't want to get dirty or get a scratch, whatever. Tools are tools. They're gonna have wear signs, and they're gonna have beat up, and they're gonna be dirty. So I don't care. You just clean it up after you're done if it bothers you about the tool being dirty. You can ask any mechanic. Any mechanic is gonna have dirty tools and scratch. So, and this is to the reference or the previous video that I made about the emergency fix-a-flat that there was some tire guy complaining that are you gonna get that green line all over my tool, yada yada yada. You're a mechanic, you're a tire shop, you're whatever, it's gonna be dirty. Just clean it up. Alright, enough ranting. Let's finish the job, add the oil, and call it a day. Alright, this time we're gonna use the funnel, add the oil. There's 5 quarts. I'm gonna pause it and pretty much let's finish the job. Now, to avoid the air pockets when you empty in the 5 quarts jug. This is from a trick that I learned from another YouTube channel from the LC. I'll post the name of the channel in the description. They recommended to put it sideways like that, so that way it flows freely without any air bubbles. So after pouring the oil, go down below, check for leaks, start the car up. While the car is on, you're gonna go down below, make sure there's no leaks. Nothing on the floor, nothing on the belly, and at this point you're pretty much done. Just put the jack back up over here, release tension from the jack stand, and slowly lower the car. I'm gonna start the video at 8 minutes since it's already long. I do not want to make the video too long. So subscribe, like the video, comment below what else do you want to see, and pretty much it. Enjoy your day.